Oh hi, welcome back. Let's put something on the surface of this road in this picture using Photoshop. So this is a part of perspective work. So let's say if you want to put this picture on the surface of the road, simply select the layer by holding the Control and the A keys and then Control and the C keys to copy it, and then afterwards create a new layer by clicking on this one and then head over to Filter, Vanishing Point, and then select create a plane of the road by clicking on the corner, and then afterwards you extend it just like this, and then create a horizontal line, and then you're done. Paste the logo by holding the Control and the V keys just like this, and then drag it into the plane that we created according to the vanishing point, which is somewhere here, and then we're done. Afterwards, all we have to do now is to do some cropping. Click on OK. Afterwards, you have it like this. Right click on the background picture and then click on duplicate layer, and then afterwards put it to the front, and then you want to select this person. Click on select subject, and then all we have to do is to have the subject selected just like so, and then you can add more by clicking on this and then click on select and mask, and then you simply select the this one as well, and then click on OK. Afterwards you copy and paste it, and then it's almost done because we're going to be erasing some parts of the tree after selecting screen for the blending mode. Click on the eraser, and then afterwards just erase this part, and then erase this part as well. It's really easy to do. Now we're done. We have to erase some parts here, and then you can do some tricks by decreasing the opacity as well, and then you're done. Placing something onto a surface of something in the picture using Photoshop as part of the perspective work. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.